if you have a Saab 9.3 or 9.5, then you know that these retractable cup holders are really difficult to replace or fix. You can replace this unit in the dash, but you do have to basically take the whole center section of the dash out. I would go online and look at instructions to do that. It's not really that difficult, it's just time consuming. So you can do it, and you can purchase the cup holder cartridge, but I think the last time I checked it was around $100 for a replacement. Mine was broken off when I bought the car. I don't know how it got broken off, but the fact is, where it's broken is a major weak point, and there is no epoxy or glue that would really work to properly repair this so that it could support the weight of a cup. The fact is, it's a very weak cup holder, and for us Americans who have our super gulps that we want to hang on our cup holders, it's not going to cut it. So to repair mine, I saw that there was small cavities in the molding of the plastic, and I knew that the glue wouldn't work, so I decided to try and reinforce it by creating these pins. I cut and ground the pins down and then inserted them into the cavities. Each of the pins are 3/8 of an inch long. I inserted the pins with an epoxy, let that one side dry, and then inserted the other side with epoxy. Well guys, so I tried to glue this fitting right here that rotates and just couldn't find a way to do it. It's way too tight, and then the epoxy just ended up getting really sticky, so the unit wouldn't actually extend and retract like it was supposed to. But with those steel pins that I put in there, it's actually solid enough that since I've used an epoxy, it'll hold a cup just fine. It's just now permanently out, so better than nothing. So hopefully this helps you guys out.